हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल लर्न स्क्वाड। ये सेशन मैं उन एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए कर रहा हूं जो गेट 2022 2023 में अपीयर होंगे या ईएससी 2021 में अपीयर हो रहे हैं। सो टुडे विद मी इज उमा सर। उमा सर, वेलकम टू द दिस कन्वर्सेशन।
Thank you, Jitendra.
सो इस
Thank you
सेशन
for
में
this opportunity.
आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस how to prepare engineering mathematics, because engineering mathematics is very important for GATE. It carries 15 marks as well as along with 15 marks to understand technical subjects of any branch. You require basics of mathematics. So today I am going to discuss with Uma sir how a beginner can start engineering mathematics preparation for GATE and ESE. So sir, in this conversation is basically for the aspirants. Two types of aspirants: one aspirants, those who are starting for GATE 2022 and 2023, and second type of students who are repeating, right? So I am starting from the beginning. Suppose a student is starting preparation today, right, for GATE 2022. How he should start mathematics preparation?
Yeah, Jiten, if the student is preparing for 2022 GATE, if he begins with mathematics, first he must be aware of that syllabus. Next, he has to prepare the notes accordingly. First, linear algebra, next calculus related concepts, calculus and differential calculus, integral calculus, then vector calculus and differential equations, complex variable. These are all calculus related topics.
Okay,
After
so
that, probability and statistics.
okay,
Yeah, more focus should be on calculus part.
okay. So all branch candidate, they can start with the linear algebra, sir.
Yeah, linear algebra is common to all the branches. That's why first they have to be well prepared with linear algebra. Next, calculus related concepts. After that, probability and statistics. So to understand probability and statistics, prerequisite is permutations and combinations.
Okay, so to understand probability, we have to have basics of permutation and combination, right? Is it correct, sir?
Permutations and combinations. Yes. Okay. Yes, permutations and combinations are
any other topic? Any other topic in math?
Another topic is numerical methods. Numerical methods is in syllabus of numerical methods is independent topic, which is in the syllabus of mechanical as well as civil engineering. But this in 2021 GATE, it is removed from GATE syllabus for electrical and electronics branch.
Okay, but numerical method is there for mechanical and civil engineers, right?
Yeah. Numerical methods is there for mechanical and civil. Easily they can score in numerical methods. As well as if they get good command in calculus part, they can solve problems related to calculus, vector calculus, complex variable, differential equations, and random variable concepts. So mainly 50% of the focus should be on calculus part.
Okay. So calculus is the most important part as suggested by you, right? Now I am coming to first point. Suppose I am talking about the first category of the student, those who are preparing by self-study, right? How they should start?
Yeah, if they are preparing on their own, first they have to start with one textbook, that is B.S. Gravel, Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Gravel. Okay. From that, they have to collect the concepts. After completion of their conceptual basics, they have to start practicing problems.
Okay,
first concept related problems.
Okay.
Yeah, they have to start concept related problems.
First, they have to start from concept related problem, and then they have to solve advanced level problem.
After that, advanced level problems.
Okay.
At the beginning, if they start with advanced level problems, if they don't have concepts, then that will be a problem for them.
Okay. So, sir, one point, the one question, when it comes to self-study, na, one question students ask repeatedly. Suppose you are recommending some book, B.S. Grewal. Na? B.S. Grewal is very thick book, and again it contains n number of numericals. Now, student asks, sir, which numerical to solve and which numerical not to solve. How to judge that point? It is very difficult. So, is it not a better idea to take your class notes and then refer from the class notes what are the important thing and then study from the book?
Yeah, first they have to refer class notes to understand what are the topics which are in the GATE syllabus, what are the frequently asked questions, right? Then they will get right path to understand which topic they have to prepare well and where they have to focus. So from the class notes, they will get overall idea about the GATE preparation. After that, for standard problems and some conceptual clarity, if they study from the textbook, they can get very clearly. From the notes, anyhow, we are giving. But if they want to know about more conceptual clarity apart from the notes, they have to study one textbook, standard textbook. Then any clarifications, if they required, they can get clarified from the textbook itself. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, for you all, I am summarizing what Uma sir has told. First, you take Uma sir's maths note, and if you want to collect the class notes of Uma sir, Telegram link of the Uma sir is given in the description itself. You go to Telegram link, there you can get the mathematics notes, engineering mathematics notes by Uma sir. So you can see class notes. Buy one book of sir has recommended B.S. Grewal, Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Grewal, and then you have to read textbook after going through the notes में पढ़ के आपको देख लेना है कि क्या क्या चीजें सब क्लास में कवर कर रहे हैं. From there you will get an idea कि what to read, what not to read, and then you can refer B.S. Grewal. Initially you solve basic level problems, and once your concepts are clear, you can go for higher level. So sir is suggesting not to solve higher level problem in the beginning, otherwise you will feel bored or you will get frustrated that you are not able to understand the concept. That's what sir is suggesting till now. Okay. Now, sir, coming to the part to the students who are attending or who are already what you can say they are attending coaching classes. What you will say for them, those who are attending coaching classes?
If the student is attending my classes or some other faculty classes, they might have some idea about the concepts. After that, they have to practice different varieties of problems in each topic. Because if they have already the conceptual knowledge, then by solving different varieties of problems, then they can gain more marks. So I have prepared one objective questions on engineering mathematics book with questions and answer keys available, which is available in my Telegram channel. They can download that book, keep on practicing those problems. Almost all 640 problems are there.
So great. That is very great for the students, especially that Uma sir has already prepared a collection of 640 questions on engineering mathematics for GATE and ESE. You can collect those collections from sir's Telegram channel. So those who want to collect Telegram channel, again, link of the Telegram channel is given in the description. From there, you can subscribe the channel and get that PDF. My question is we was discussing about how to so suppose a student has already already he has prepared for mathematics, but he doesn't have command over the subject. What he should do for that?
Yeah, if the student does not over the command about the subject, first he must understand underlying concepts of each and every topic. In linear algebra, especially rank and nullity concepts. Then system of equations. What are the two types of systems? Homogeneous. Next, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. How to calculate eigenvectors and eigenvalues. If the eigenvalues are repeated eigenvalues, how to calculate eigenvectors. Non-repeated eigenvalues, how to. First, the student must understand underlying concepts. If the student understands the underlying concepts, after that, he can able to solve any problem is given, whether it is moderate level or toughest level. Like that, the student must study about each and every concepts in depth, because you cannot predict which type of questions may come in the examination. Okay, completely examination is unpredictable. That's why every concept we have to go through from basic level to toughest level.
Sir, I am taking some of the questions asked by student. Since I posted that I am going to have session with Umar sir, student have given me some question to be asked from you. One question is asked from Anand. Student name is Anand. He has asked, sir, in math I face problem in visualization of geometrical interpretation of vector calculus. So he is facing problem in geometrical interpretation of vector calculus. What will you suggest to him?
Yeah, mainly to understand geometrical interpretation about line integrals, then surface integrals, then volume integrals. So work done on a line or on a curve, then closed curve, then open surface, then closed surface. Like that, while studying vector calculus, there is one particular sequence. If he follows that sequence, sequentially he has to understand the concepts.
Okay.
That is line to surface, surface to volume.
Okay. So will you suggest any text for him? Any textbook or something if you are
for vector calculus, he has to attend the class. He must understand the sequence of the approach. After that, only he can understand the textbook concepts. Otherwise, very difficult to understand, to visualize vector calculus.
Okay. So any specific textbook would you like to recommend him?
Yeah, for vector calculus and calculus concepts, Finney Thompson. Finney Thompson.
Thompson and Finney. Thompson and Finney is very famous book.
Highest level. Yeah.
So he can refer that. Next question is from Shankar Shukla. मैथमेटिक्स के सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम बहुत कम होने की वजह से समझने में दिक्कत आती है. So he is saying कि he has very less number of solved problem of mathematics. That's why he is unable to understand the concept. What should he do?
Okay, if you have the conceptual knowledge, he can able to solve the problems, whatever type of problems are given. Main thing is he has to focus on the concepts. Okay, so can you suggest some source from where he can get some solved problem? You have suggested, right? You have made one book of 640 questions. Yeah. So Shankar Shukla you can take that booklet of 640 questions which sir has made. I think solutions are also available, na sir? No. Actually, question and answers are available. Solutions I have discussed in DPP sessions. From DPP session 1 to till DPP session 33, all the problems with solutions are available in the DPP sessions. Okay. They are all free special classes. Those DPP sessions are in a special class or is it in YouTube? Yeah, they are free special classes. They can download Unacademy learning app. They can watch the recorded videos of these special classes. So guys, those who want, good number of mathematics problem, take those questions prepared by sir. Answer will also be available in the Unacademy free special classes, right? So you will get answers also. And all those questions are solved by sir in the special classes. So you can watch those classes. Sir, there is a student named Sajjad. He is asking he is facing problem in drawing the graph of function. What should he do? How he can improve? Okay. So from NCERT +1 level book he has to take, and in that at least mainly basic graphs, y equal to x, y equal to x square, y equal to x cube, y equal to x square plus 4, x square plus 2. Minimum basic graphs he has to learn by self preparation from NCERT book.
Okay, so you are suggesting him to read NCERT book from the NCERT book. He can get the concept how to draw graphs. Any other source or videos would you like to recommend?
Yeah, graphs as well as basic trigonometric properties and binomial expansion concepts. These are all very basic concepts at +1 level. These concepts are required to understand engineering mathematics properly.
Okay, so
partial fractions.
So Sajjad, for you, sir is recommending to refer NCERT. There all the concept how to draw the any function is given. You can watch it. There is a student named Lisa. She is asking how please include source of practice for unconventional type math problem. So she is asking from where to practice unconventional type math problem. Is there any source? I think you have given that 640 problem. Is that enough?
Yeah, that book is enough.
Okay. So Lisa, you can recommend those 640 questions given by sir. So it is there available in the sir's Telegram channel. You can take from there.
They can download from file section in Telegram channel.
Okay, sure. Sir, coming to a few concepts. Suppose a student, few questions student generally ask ki, how much time it takes to prepare for GATE. If a student is starting, let's say today, he is a beginner, he want to prepare engineering mathematics for GATE and ESE, how much time for him it will take?
It takes only 100 hours. 100 hours if they spend on engineering mathematics, they can score minimum 13 marks out of 15.
Minimum 13 out of 15. He or she can score
100 hours.
100 hours, that is the time. So is it any prerequisite or a student, this can be the first subject to start his preparation?
For mathematics is the first subject start their preparation.
Okay.
Because it is the basic subject. If they understand mathematics very well, then their engineering subjects they can easily understand.
Some student was saying, sir, they are facing problem in probability. They are not getting probability properly. How they can improve, or what would you recommend for them?
To understand probability and statistics, permutations and combinations are conducted a few YouTube classes on permutations and combinations in Unacademy Ascend YouTube channel. They can watch the recorded use of permutations and combinations, part 1 to till part 12. Parts I took already. If they watch the videos of permutations and combinations, they can understand basic probability very easily.
Okay. So guys, sir is suggesting that you have to good at permutation and combination to understand the probability. So first you try to understand permutation and combination. Sir has taken few classes on the on YouTube to explain the basics of permutation and combination. You can watch those video, or you can again refer NCERT textbook to understand permutation and combination. Once you are good at permutation and combination, you can easily understand the probability. That is what sir is recommending. Okay, sir. How to do revision? Suppose course is completed, how a student should revise mathematics? That is a question asked by many aspirants.
During the course itself, student must prepare short notes. If they prepare short notes, by referring short notes, remember easily. So many properties and so many formulas are there. That's why by revising the properties and formulas, memorizing formulas, they can easily remember the basic concept of mathematics, especially because start preparation in the month of February and revising the concepts through short notes, they can easily get good command over the subject over a period of time.
Okay, sir. Can you tell me, do you provide any short note kind of thing to students for revision purpose?
Yeah, I have provided one short notes in the Telegram channel. They download that short notes. They can add some other points if they during the regular course, whatever points I am discussing in the class, they can add those points additionally if there is any tricks while solving the problems.
So, sir,
Tricks also
already
they can add to that short notes.
short notes are available at the Telegram channel.
Yes.
So those
They
who
can
want
download
to
from file section.
those who want to revise mathematics, short note by Uma sir is available on his Telegram channel. You can take those short notes, and those short notes will help you revise engineering mathematics. How frequently revision is required, sir? Suppose today the course is completed. How frequently it is required to revise the mathematics?
Yeah, monthly once they have to revise the notes properly, and they have to recap the main important points related to some concepts, like solving daily practice problems. They can recollect those properties and formulas.
So I hope all the queries of the students will be answered. Or thank you, Uma sir, for joining us. And in future also we'll do so many other sessions with Uma sir as per the queries. जितना स्टूडेंट से क्वेरी आएगा, जो जितना स्टूडेंट को कोई भी क्वेरी रहेगा, they can post on our my Telegram channel or on Sir's Telegram channel. We'll have minimum one session per month so that all the doubts of the student regarding mathematics is clear. क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जहां आप इजिली 15 में से 13-14 मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हो इजिली विद 100 आवर्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, जो लिबर्टी आपको किसी भी टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट में नहीं मिलती है, राइट? सो जिन लोगों को जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, इश्यूज है, कीप ऑन पोस्टिंग ऑन, ईदर यू कैन पोस्ट your doubt or queries to Uma sir, or you can post doubt or queries directly to me. We'll do a session like this and try to resolve your queries. I hope this session will benefit so many aspirants. तो जिन भी aspirants ने अभी Learn Squad को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, and do share this video with your friends so that they can be benefited in the course of their preparation for GATE and ESE. Thank you very much.